Now let's explore an amazing feature introduced by the latest version of Microsoft Office, and that is the merge formatting source. Now for years, people were demanding for it that if we, let's say, copy some particular text from the internet, let's say from here, and if we paste it here in this document, we only had the option to keep the source formatting like this one, but this is not matching with the overall document. Why? Because it is following the same format what we have here. It's different from what we have in our document. The other format was keep the text only. In that way, the formatting was all removed. So now what we have is, let's say we copy this all with the headings and we want to paste it right here. So we have the option of merge formatting. What this will do is it will follow the same kind of text style. As we see here, it will follow the same style. It's Times New Roman and 9 size. And here it's the same, and it's also following the same sequence. For example, we have the links in blue style, we have some citations, and we have some headings. So it will not remove all the format like it used to do in the keep text only. Neither it's using the very different font from our document. It's following the source file here. So that was the problem, that whenever you want to add some details to our existing document, it was very tough to reformat it over and over again. Now it's very simple, just keep the merge formatting options on. Now one more thing, that if you want to make this a default one, so for example, let's enlarge this. If we directly copy and just press Ctrl V here, we can see that it's now following the merge formatting option. But if it is not, if it is following the source formatting, what we can do is go to the file menu and click on options, and from here click on advanced settings, and under here just scroll down to the cut, copy and paste option. And if you're pasting the details from other programs, what we can do is just change the default from here and change it to keep source formatting. By default, now that we have used that merge formatting, it has set to default, but if it is set to keep source formatting, we can change it to merge formatting option and then click OK. So you can just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.